Question 7. A particle of mass m and angular momentum L moves in a space where its potential energy is U of r equal to k r square, where r is the radial coordinate. If the particle moves in a circular orbit, then the radius of the orbit is what? So here the particle is moving in a circular orbit like this, okay. It moves, m is the mass and v is the velocity of the particle and r is the radius, okay. R is the radius. So here the potential energy is given, so U is the potential energy is equal to k r square. So from this we can calculate the force. From potential energy we can calculate the force. So force F of r is equal to, we know that, minus dv by dr, where v is the potential, here v is U. So d dr of k r square, that is minus 2 k r. F of r is equal to minus 2 k r, and negative sign represents attractive force, okay. So this is negative, means this force is attractive force. So the force, we get the force. Now this force supplies the necessary centripetal force to this particle for moving in circular path, okay. So m v square by r, the centripetal force of the circular motion, will be equal to the force 2 kr. The negative sign we will not take, because the only magnitude we can we take, okay, we are taking. So from here we can calculate r. So m v square by 2k, no, not this way. So here multiply mr, multiply mr, that is m square v square mr square. This is equal to mrq is equal to kr, 2 kr, okay. Now mvr is equal to L. This is the orbital angular momentum. Here it is given that orbital angular momentum is L. So mvr will be equal to L. So this will be equal to L square by mrq. This is equal to 2 kr. That is equal to L square by 2 mk equal to r to the power 4. So r will be equal to L square by 2 mk to the power 1 by 4. So from the option which is matching with this, that is L square by 2 mk, L square by 2 mk to the power 1 by 4, option B. So option B is correct, okay.